Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm all about making Power BI easy and approachable for beginners. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract both the month name and the day name from a date field in Power BI using Power Query. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform those plain date values into readable, meaningful labels, making your data much more user-friendly and your reports a lot clearer. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Power BI file and locate the dataset you want to work with. Once you spot your table on the right-hand side, right-click on it and choose Edit Query. This is where the magic happens. Think of Power Query as the kitchen where you prep and shape your data before serving it up in your visuals. Once you're inside the Power Query editor, look for the column that contains your dates and times. Click directly on that column header to select it. I want you to be sure you're on the right column, because this is the source of the information we'll be extracting in just a moment. Now let's add some new columns to display the day and month names. At the top of the Power Query screen, you'll see the Add Column tab. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a menu with a variety of options for creating new columns based on your existing data. Under this tab, look for the Date button. It's usually part of a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click it to reveal several options. From the drop-down, choose Name of Day. What this does is take each date in your original column and instantly generate a new column where you'll see the actual name of the day, like Monday, Tuesday, and so on, instead of just a number or a date. This is super helpful for analyses where you want to see trends by weekday or communicate timings clearly to your audience. Next, let's get the month name in there too. Click again on your original date column to make sure it's selected. This tells Power Query what data we want to use for our new column. Go back up to Add Column, then to Date, and this time click Name of Month. Just like before, this will give you a new column, but now it's filled with the name of the month, like January, February, March, and so on. This can be a real game changer for visuals. Your users will recognize month names right away without needing to decode a date format. At this point, you should now see two new columns in your Power Query editor, one with the day name and another with the month name, right next to your original date column. You can double-check by scrolling across your table, and don't worry if it takes a moment for Power Query to process the changes, especially if you're working with a big dataset. And that's it. You've successfully extracted both the day and month name from a date column in Power by using Power Query. This simple transformation can make your reports a lot more engaging and easier to interpret, whether you're presenting to your team, a client, or just want to get quick insights yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Drop your questions down in the comments if anything was unclear, or if there's another Power BI trick you'd like to learn next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.